Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Adsense. In order to verify your identity on Adsense, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.google.com/Adsense. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. Now this is going to directly take you to your Adsense page. Here you can either go ahead and create your account or log into your account by entering your credential. Now verifying your identity on Adsense will access you with a lot of features that is actually not available when you don't have a verified account. Now then, to begin with the procedure, in the left hand side bar you can see multiple options. Over here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find a section as payment. Go ahead and tap on it. So first of all, you need to go with the payment method. So after you are done entering your payment info, go ahead and tap the add payment account, and once you're done entering your payment method, then you can begin with the verification process. So all you need to do is just provide in the address information accordingly and click the submit button located right in the corner. After that, it's going to direct you to the other interface. Now there you can see there is the pop-up. So in order to avoid any delays on your payout, so in order to do that, you need to go ahead and tap on add tax information as well. As soon as you've done that, next page you begin with the verification. So basically, to verify your identification, all you have to do is just provide in your government information, government ID. That could be your driving license, your passport, your ID, or whatsoever. You have to take a clear picture of it and then upload it in order to verify it. Once you've uploaded, it's going to take a while in order to verify your account. So all you need to do is wait patiently until you get verified. So that's basically how you can verify your Adsense account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.